Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the tailgate handle on this 2002 Tacoma. This handle fits many different years of Tacoma. Tools you'll need are a Phillips screwdriver and a 10mm socket with a ratchet and extension. We did have to use some vice grips to pull apart the fasteners because in our handle it was a little bit corroded and the nuts that are molded into the handle broke free. Okay, replace your tailgate handle. You first going to have to remove your rear panel here. Okay, this truck has the bed liner obviously, so we remove 8 screws and then take that liner piece off the tailgate. And then underneath the liner there are 4 more screws. Remove that and then we can remove the plate. Okay, you want to disconnect these rods. Just have little clips on them. You push the clip off, pull the rod up and out. Push this clip off, pull the rod out. Okay, there's 2 10mm bolts. Okay, I'm going to speed it up here and run into a problem. I try to loosen the bolts and the nuts that are molded into the door handle, or I'm sorry, the tailgate handle, just start spinning. So what I end up doing is just pulling down on the handle and just kind of turning the bolts and pull the handle free from the truck. Okay. Herein lies the problem with these handles a lot. See that these actually stayed in behind. And these are the little, these were molded into the door handle, or these were molded into the handle to hold the bolts. I'll spray them with a little penetrating oil. I'm going to take a pair of vice grip pliers and lock them on here as best I can. Most likely what you're going to do is end up breaking these bolts. And in fact, that's what I do. I break one, and then I put the vice grips onto the other nut that's molded in, or was supposed to be molded into the handle, and break that bolt as well. And then everything's cleared out to mount the new handle. So here's your new handle from 1AAuto. Got 2 M6x12 standard 1mm pitch. Okay, put the handle up in. Put it up high, in, and then slide it right down. And start your 2 bolts. Okay, now I'm just using my socket and extension and tightening up those bolts by hand. Now use your ratchet and tighten them up nice and firm. Don't over tighten them though. And then reconnect the latch rods. Now you should take this chance to spray a little penetrating oil especially on the back side, on your handle. Make sure everything's working well. Okay, and I'll really speed it up here as I put that panel back on, put the 4 screws in that hold it, and then if you have the bed liner, put that panel back on and put the 8 screws back in to hold it together. We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.